So, Trump's recent executive order that opens up 401 retirement accounts to crypto and alternative assets is definitely shaking things up.
Yep.
It's like, yeah, really creating a new frontier for crypto in retirement portfolios.
Right, it's a pretty bold policy shift. I've heard some say it could mean billions, even trillions, of dollars flowing into crypto markets from retirement funds.
Yeah, exactly. And industry experts are seeing this as a game changer. For instance, Bitwise's chief investment officer mentioned that this could introduce a slow, steady, consistent bid, like, a structural infusion that might reduce volatility over time.
That makes sense. It's a fascinating mix, right? On one side, you have supporters saying it validates crypto's place in the US financial system, while on the other side, critics are pointing out that it might lead to reckless decisions from underprepared investors.
Right, indeed. Yeah, absolutely. It's like, imagine a chef. If you suddenly give everyone a gourmet recipe without proper training, some might whip up something amazing while others might, mess it up badly.
Exactly, yeah. And speaking of potential pitfalls, you've got voices like Peter Schiff, who argue that by allowing crypto in 401ks, you're essentially encouraging what he sees as gambling with retirement savings, which could exacerbate an already troubling savings gap for many Americans.
True enough. Yeah, that's a solid critique. It really challenges the notion that all investors are ready to handle the high volatility and unpredictable nature of crypto markets.
I see that point. But then, on the flip side, there are industry advocates like Crypto Council for Innovation's CEO who argue that giving Americans the freedom to choose in their retirement portfolios is just common sense. It's essentially a move towards more diversified investment options.
Right? And then you have figures like Joshua Kruger pointing out that Bitcoin, with its strong institutional acceptance, will probably be the first crypto to find a home in these regulated pension products.
I mean, what about altcoins though? Is there any indication they might come into play later on?
Yeah, definitely. The idea is, while Bitcoin leads, altcoins might benefit in the medium term once there's a more resilient regulated structure in place. And then there's the regulatory clarity angle, with voices like Abdul Rafai Gadet emphasizing that this order could solidify a broader framework for tokenized investments, potentially bridging gaps between regulators and the industry.
Right. It seems, though, that execution is everything. Michael Heinrich mentioned, and I agree, that if this isn't done with the right safeguards, it might risk not just financial backlash, but even political fallout.
Absolutely. Couldn't agree more. So while there's genuine optimism about injecting trillions into crypto markets via 401s, there's also a nagging concern about investor protection and ensuring that the details, like which tokens qualify and custody issues, are meticulously sorted out.
Yep, very much. It's really a fascinating intersection of policy, investment strategy, and regulatory oversight, isn't it?
Oh, for sure, yeah. So, to wrap it up, Trump's crypto 401 order is stirring up both a positive buzz about potential market stability through steady investment and a cautionary tale about the risks of unqualified investment decisions.
Exactly, yeah. Definitely a development to keep an eye on in the coming months.
Absolutely. And it'll be interesting to see how these debates shape the future of crypto investments.